Good morning, Johnny.
Good
Good morning, sleepy boy.
morning, Papa.
Come on, Johnny.
Okay, Papa.
Let's open the curtains.
Wow, it's so sunny.
Look at the sky.
It's blue.
Can you hear the birds?
Tweet, tweet.
It's a beautiful morning.
I love mornings.
Let's exercise.
Yay, let's exercise.
Stretch your arms.
Like this?
Perfect. Touch your toes.
1, 2, 3.
Here is your toothbrush.
Thank you, Papa.
Put some toothpaste on it.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Now brush your teeth.
Brush, brush, brush.
Let's comb your hair.
Okay, Papa.
Stand still.
I'm standing still.
Wow, you look handsome.
Thank you, Papa.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Let's have breakfast. Today we have milk, toast, and apples.
My favorite breakfast.
Drink your milk.
Milk is healthy.
Eat your eggs.
They are delicious.
Have some toast.
Crunchy and yummy.
Finish your breakfast.
All done, Papa.
Excellent job. Let's pack your bag.
Okay, Papa. Books are inside.
Grab your lunch. Now put on your socks.
Okay.
Wear your shoes.
These are my favorite shoes.
Tie the laces carefully.
I did it.
Excellent. Now,
Johnny, are you ready for school?
Yes, Mom.
Come here, my little boy.
Okay, Mom.
Study well and be kind.
I will, Mom. Bye-bye, Mom.
let's walk to school. We are at the crosswalk.
I see the zebra crossing.
Stop and look both ways.
Left, left again.
Is it safe? Let's cross carefully.
Let's go. The school bus is here. Wow, it's big and yellow.
Let's wave to the driver.
Good morning.
Good morning, Johnny. Have a wonderful day at school.
See you later, Papa.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Welcome to school.
Thank you, teacher.
Are you ready to learn?
Yes, teacher.
Wow, the classroom is beautiful. Sit down, everyone. Okay, teacher. Today we will learn the alphabet.
I can't wait to learn.